In 1940, a man was born named Robert Wadlow, and he's known to be the tallest man over the last 100 years. He grew to be 8'11", almost 9 feet, and in meters, that would be 2.72 meters. Jamaican sprinter Usain Bolt is known to be the fastest man alive. In 2009, he ran the 100-meter race in an astounding 9.58 seconds. The current price of a Nintendo Switch is $399.96. Let's look at the height of this man from the 1940s and 50s, who grew to be an astounding 2.72 meters tall. So what this means is he was 2 full meters plus an additional 72 hundredths of a meter, or 72 centimeters. If you look at the price of a Nintendo Switch, it's $399 full dollars, and then 96 cents, or 96 hundredths of a dollar. So basically $400. And let's think about Usain Bolt. Here's his time, 9.58 seconds, record-breaking time for the 100 meters. This means it's 9 full seconds. And then if you took the next second and chopped it up into 100 little tiny slivers of a second, there'd be 58 of those. So 58 hundredths of a second, or a little bit more than 9.5 seconds. That's fast. If you look at a number like this, 124.72, we can see that each one represents a certain number. So here we have the hundreds, the tens, the ones, that stays the same. Now this is when it gets new. After the decimal, we have tenths. And notice the TH at the end. Some people say 7 tens, but it's actually 7 tenths. You have to listen carefully to hear it. Here, the 2 is hundredths, not hundreds. Hundreds are over here. See the TH? Hundredths. So that should help you understand the different values of each number in its position. Let's look at this example now where we're adding up some money. We have $14.75 and $22.20. So when you're adding this up, you can add it up just like normal, as if you would add up those large numbers. The important thing to remember is to make sure the decimals are lined up. If they're not lined up, you'll definitely get the wrong answer. So let's start over here like normal. 5, 9. Then we put the decimal right here, just straight down below. 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. So altogether we have $36.95. Here's an example using meters. Let's imagine you're building a fence and you need to have 12.7 meters in one spot and 16.5 meters in another spot. We can add them up to find out the total amount of fence that we need. So we'll start over here with the tenths. 7 plus 5, 12. This is just like normal. 6 plus 2 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Then it's very important to put the decimal in the right position. So our answer, 29.2 meters.